Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, His Excellency Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Honorable Minister, Ayush, Government of India, Deputy CM, Sri Pawan Kalyan ji, Honorable Ministers from Government of India and Government of Andhra Pradesh, and all respected participants across the world who joined us today. I welcome all of you to the beautiful city of Visakhapatnam for auspicious occasion of 11th International Yoga Day to create history. I am thanking our visionary Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for making yoga popular not only in India, across the world. He started International Yoga Day through United Nations and made yoga a global wellness movement. Today, it is being celebrated in more than 175 countries across 12 lakh locations with the participation of over 10 crore people. Yoga is accepted by everyone, irrespective of nationality, region, religion, and language. Yoga results in union of body, mind, and spirit. It is beneficial for physical health, mental health, stress management, boost immunity, enhanced self-confidence, self-discovery, growth, mindfulness, inner peace, and holistic well-being. This results in reduced violence and promotion of peace. Technology, including AI, has made yoga more inclusive and accessible. I thank Honorable Prime Minister for giving us the opportunity to host this event and gracing us with his presence today. Inspired by his vision, we organized a month-long Yogandhra campaign by training more than 1.44 lakh yoga trainers, registering over 2.17 crore participants in 1.4 lakh locations, 3 lakh plus participants in single location, that is beautiful city of Visakhapatnam, from here 28 kilometers up to Bhogapuram, and issuing 1.7 crore certificates. We are proud to announce yesterday around 22,122 tribal students have achieved Guinness record for most people performing Surya Namaskar simultaneously. We congratulate them. Global competition has started in various aspects of yoga. I am happy to note that in September, Yoga Super League is beginning. I request Honorable Prime Minister to use his good offices to include yoga in regular Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, and ultimately Olympic Games. You are all aware, any history has to be created, only Narendra Modi ji, and also any record can be break, that is possible only for Narendra Modi ji. That is where I am requesting him. As a result of Honorable Prime Minister's vision and promotion of yoga for the last 10 years, yoga has now achieved a mass momentum. We must make sure that yoga should be a part of our lives. Therefore, I am appealing to the people to take 1 hour daily for yourself to do yoga. To the youth, I say, embrace yoga not only as a form of exercise, but as a powerful tool to enhance focus, discipline, creativity in today's rapidly evolving digital world. With constant practice, you will be able to see a miracle in your life. Ultimately, a happier society. This is also the core goal of Vision Swarnandhra 2047, a healthy, wealthy and happy Andhra Pradesh, part of Vikasit Bharat. Honorable Prime Minister has revived yoga, naturopathy, Ayurveda, promoting green energy, Swachh Bharat and natural farming. Modi's vision is not just for healthy global community, but for a healthy planet as well. Let us continue to work together to strengthen the spirit of one earth, one health. It is a historical day for all of us to gather here, as well as those who joined us globally. Let us work together to achieve global peace and happiness. ఈ రోజు మిమ్మల్ని చూసిన తర్వాత 30 రోజుల పాటు ఒక దీక్షలా, ఒక ఉద్యమంలాగా యోగా కార్యక్రమంలో భాగస్వాములయ్యారు. సత్తా చాటారు. యోగాంధ్ర కార్యక్రమం ట్రెండ్ సెట్టర్గా నిలిచింది. నరేంద్ర మోడీ గారు ప్రారంభించిన ఈ ఉద్యమాన్ని మనమందరం ఆచరించి జీవన విధానంగా మార్చుకొని అందరిలో చైతన్యం తీసుకొస్తూ తెలుగు జాతి ప్రపంచానికి ఆదర్శంగా నిలవాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా పిలిపిస్తున్నా. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ఇంత విజయవంతంగా నిర్వహించిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ధన్యవాదాలు, కృతజ్ఞతలు. జై భారత్, జై ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్.